Who isn't tempted by the tantalizing allure of a well-crafted dessert? The sweet symphony of flavors, the delicate dance of textures, and the joy of creation itself. Today, we dive into the delightful process of making Jell-O ice cream frozen marmalade, a treat that will surely win over everyone's taste buds. Imagine the burst of citrusy sweetness from marmalade, the creamy coolness of ice cream, and the playful jiggle of Jell-O. All these elements come together to form a dessert that's not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. The journey to this culinary masterpiece starts with a simple step: preparing the marmalade. The key to a good marmalade is patience and quality ingredients. Use ripe, juicy oranges, and make sure to balance the sweetness with a pinch of bitterness. Boil them with sugar until they reach a thick consistency. Next, the stage is set for the ice cream. Cream, sugar, and vanilla are the stars of this act. Simmer the cream and sugar until it forms a custard, then add a dash of vanilla essence. Churn it in an ice cream maker till it reaches a creamy consistency. The final act of this dessert drama is the Jell-O. Opt for a flavor that complements the marmalade. Mix the gelatin with boiling water, stirring until it dissolves completely. A tip to remember: always add cold water after the gelatin has fully dissolved. Now, the magic happens. Layer the marmalade, ice cream, and Jell-O carefully in a mold. Freeze it until it sets. And voila! The Jell-O ice cream frozen marmalade is ready to steal the show. To recap, the process involves 3 main steps. First, prepare the marmalade with ripe oranges and sugar. Then, make the ice cream with cream, sugar, and vanilla. Lastly, create the Jell-O using a flavor of your choice. Layer all components in a mold and freeze until set. Remember, the joy of cooking lies not just in the end product but also in the process. So savor every moment, every step, and every ingredient. Happy cooking!